I want your body, won't live without it. So turn up the party, I'm feeling naughty. Get close to me, I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body, all I desire. You real like the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of blue, dancing in your eyes. I want your body. It's getting hotter. The beat is louder. I know you want me, and I want your body. Stay close to me, I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body, all I desire. You real like the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of blue, dancing in your eyes. I'm just gonna let it go tonight. I just wanna hold you close to me, dancing in your eyes. I want your body.
Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it. swallow down your jacket's in. Let it drown inside my veins, the sweetest poison I could take. You make it an art, the way that you scar with every word. But before we reach the end, strip me down again. Come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Yeah. She caught my eye as she was walking by. Cute face, great smile with some big brown eyes. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Like yeah. Damn, baby, look at you go. From head to toe, you're a 10. Have I seen you before? I'd love to talk, I just don't know how to go about it. So instead I had to go and write a song about it. How you doing? Tell me what your name is. A simple conversation that's usually quick and painless. But I'm sweating bullets, shaking in my shoes. The angel on my shoulder says I got nothing to lose. But girl, can you let me some of your confidence? You'd be a billionaire if currency was compliments. High heels, even higher self-esteem. Turning heads, breaking necks when she step up on the scene. But wait, hold up, I think she's walking my way. Come on, man, you got this. Today is the day. I know you're nervous, dude, but don't show it. Will you finally make a move or will you blow it? She's getting closer now, she's getting closer. Looking like a supermodel right out of a poster. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Like yeah, so I whistled at her. Like yeah. Yeah, same story, just a different day. Got my inhaler with me, she take my breath away. My old man used to prep me with some pickup lines, but when I see you, not a single one come to mind. Man, I thought I had at least a little game. All this trouble and I haven't even got a name. Yo, Hitch, where you at? I need your help, dude. This chick is playing with my brain like a GameCube. She got me feeling like a kid again. You'll be my Lois Lane, I'll be your Superman. Yeah, but maybe first I should grow up here and find the courage to come over there. So, here I go, yeah, I think I'm ready. Rehearsed it in the mirror 50 times already, but now I'm thinking that I should've done it 51. Cause all I wanna do is turn around and run. But I'm getting closer now, I'm getting closer. She's like a supermodel right out of a poster. Used to guys blowing kisses at her, but I just couldn't find the words, so I whistled at her. Like